and this gossip was going on. So I came to the meeting, also to the Zoom, and I warned her to stay away from Carolina. It was so disturbing. Even after that, I did not, take everything very seriously. But it is becoming a distraction to this government. That Alado Rama will go out there and start talking as if there is a war going on. I don't know who is using two of them. The last time we suspended Madam Erewa, if Yomubiko used it to the program, and the way this woman, Carolina, is talking, and the way Alado Rama talked to me, suggests that that information leaked from either one of them. Let me play also Alado Rama's voice.
This is another Rama message to PM. Listen. So say I can't hear. If you get now. Oh my goodness. You get why? Why not you go with? There's a reason for that. Just say, I want her to complete it. You see how she was struggling to tell you her job, that her profession on social media. Media. Now she's boldly telling you that I'm a journalist. I'm a journalist. Why didn't she tell PM that, don't worry, I'm a journalist? Did you hear that? She just emerged as started journalism overnight. Like again.